Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Word and moving straight to Visual Settings. This saves time. You will go to File, then Account, because Office Theme lives there. Choose White or Light from the Office Theme drop-down to force the interface into white mode. Once done, make sure to restart Word if elements didn't update immediately. This refreshes the UI. You'll see toolbars, ribbons, and window Chrome switch to a bright background for maximum contrast and print-like preview. Continue by ensuring the document canvas itself is white, not just the UI. Open Design, then Page Color, and select White. That makes the page background match the interface. Once done, switch to Print Layout or Read Mode to confirm the page prints and displays as expected. If Word still shows a dark page, go to File Options General and turn off any dark page color overrides. This aligns what you see on screen with the printed white output. To finish, save your work and restart Word so all theme elements load correctly. This seals changes across documents. If the white theme option isn't available, update Office from Account Update Options because older builds lack some themes. Once done, make sure add-ins aren't forcing colors. Start Word in Safe Mode to test. If white mode appears there, disable suspect add-ins. One key troubleshooting tip: reset Office settings or repair the installation if theme settings remain stuck after updates.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.